Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, have you ever asked yourself, if Allah loves me, then why am I going through so much pain? Why do good people suffer? Why do the most faithful face the hardest trials? Today we will talk about a powerful truth in Islam. Allah tests those He loves. And by the end of this video, you will see your struggles in a completely different light. The Qur'an tells us, do people think that they will be left alone because they say, we believe, and will not be tested? Surah Al-Ankabut 29:2. Tests are not punishments, they are part of faith. The Prophet, Muhammad, said, when Allah loves a servant, He tests him. Think about that carefully. Not when He hates him, not when He abandons him, but when He loves him. Who were the most tested people in history? The prophets. Look at Ayyub alayhi salam. He lost his health, he lost his wealth, he lost his family, yet he never complained against Allah. Look at Yusuf alayhi salam, thrown into a well, sold as a slave, wrongfully imprisoned, yet Allah raised his status. Look at Ibrahim alayhi salam, thrown into fire, commanded to sacrifice his son. Was this cruelty? No, it was elevation. The greater the test, the greater the rank. Gold is purified by fire, diamonds are formed under pressure, and believers are purified through hardship. The Prophet, Muhammad, taught us that even a thorn that pricks a believer removes sins. Imagine that! Every tear, every sleepless night, every heartbreak, it is washing away sins. Sometimes Allah wants to meet you on the day of judgment without a single sin, so He sends trials to clean you in this world. Be honest, when do you make the most sincere dua? When everything is perfect or when you are broken? Hardship makes you raise your hands, it softens your heart. It reminds you that you need Allah. Sometimes Allah removes the world from your hands so He can place Jannah in your heart. Tests are not meant to destroy you, they are meant to return you to Him. We often forget something important. This dunya is not meant to be perfect. It is a test center, not the final home. Jannah is the reward. Ease without hardship is in Jannah. If Allah gives someone everything in this world with no struggle, it is not always a sign of love. Real success is what happens after death. So what should we do when tested? Be patient, Sabr. Trust Allah's plan. Keep praying even when it's hard. Remember, Allah never burdens a soul beyond what it can bear. Qur'an 2:86. Your test is customized for you, because Allah knows your strength even when you don't. Every hardship has an expiry date. After every difficulty comes ease. Dear viewer, if you are struggling right now, if you feel tired, if you feel broken, maybe, just maybe, Allah is raising your rank. Maybe He is preparing you for something greater. Maybe this test is a sign that you are loved by Him. Hold on, stay patient, and remember, the one who is testing you is the most merciful. May Allah grant us all the ability to remain on the right path. With that, I take my leave for today. If you found this beneficial, please subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Stay well and stay healthy. Allah Hafez.